A long list of content ideas is not a weekly plan. When available time and existing commitments are ignored, Claude may schedule everything, invent capacity, or create a calendar that cannot be completed. A reliable planning worker must protect fixed commitments, select only approved work, and keep everything else visible in a deferred backlog. In this tutorial, we will build a reusable weekly content planning worker in Claude. We will submit 5 approved ideas, 6 available hours, 3 fixed commitments, deadlines, dependencies, and a lead generation priority. The worker will make a conservative selection, defer the remaining ideas, identify missing capacity information, and provide one exact first action. The worker follows a fixed contract. It uses only approved ideas, preserves every existing commitment, and never converts low, medium, or high effort into hours. When capacity cannot be proven, it uses insufficient information. When fixed commitments consume all available time, it uses overcapacity and selects no new deliverables. Our realistic example contains 5 approved ideas and 6 total production hours. 3 of those hours are already committed, leaving 3 hours for new work. 2 LinkedIn posts have deadlines and directly support lead generation. The worksheet and newsletter are medium effort, while the full YouTube tutorial is high effort and requires procedure testing before scripting. Now submit the approved input to the tested weekly content planning worker. This is a simulated demonstration based on the verified Claude procedure. Because relative effort labels cannot be converted into hours, the worker marks capacity as insufficient information and recommends only the 2 low-effort, deadline-bound lead generation posts. Human review verifies that the plan uses only approved ideas, preserves all 3 fixed commitments, and does not exceed the deliverable limit. The 2 deadline-bound LinkedIn posts support the stated lead generation priority. The worksheet, newsletter, and full tutorial remain visible in the deferred backlog because their fit cannot be confirmed from relative effort labels alone. The second test reduces total availability to 3 hours, and all 3 hours are already committed. The maximum deliverable count is 4, but a deliverable limit is not available capacity. The correct result is overcapacity, no new selected deliverables, all 4 ideas deferred, and an exact first action focused on resolving capacity. After review, save the result as weeklycontentplan.md. Reuse the same worker for the next planning cycle by replacing the week, approved ideas, capacity, commitments, priorities, deadlines, dependencies, and constraints. The worker creates a planning recommendation only. The final status remains pending human review until you approve or revise the plan.